guy's got the best chair on the planet in this shop. Oh! I'm here with Mark today at Xpel Austin. He is wrapping Vito's Ducati Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini edition. Now, what we're doing with this bike is we're putting a bunch of PPF on it. It is their paint protection film. And you can't tell, but it's already on there. So the paint protection film is a proprietary film that Xpel makes. And it's about, how many millimeters, different sizes?
It's 8 mil, it's about 3 or 4 sheets of paper.
All right, so think 3-4 sheets of paper, totally clear, self-healing properties, resists abrasion, light abrasion, resists paint chips and flecks and road debris, and also the elements. It also has a hydrophobic coating. So, you know, again, resist dirt, right? So you can just kind of wash it off. They have a handful of cleansers and cleaning agents that you use to actually clean your vehicle once you have that PPF. And it lasts about 10 years. That is sick. So if you're curious about where you should put the PPF film on your motorcycle, because you don't have to wrap the entire thing, we want to think about maybe high impact zones or zones that are going to really get hit by wind and elements. So for the first part, we're going to say that front fender, your front cowling, headlights, definitely get your lights protected or your daytime running lights. Fork tubes are going to be a little difficult, only because they're actually textured, so maybe avoid on that. Definitely going to be doing the winglets here on the Streetfighter, these side panels. We're going to do a matte screen too up top here on the dash, which kind of gives it this like anti-reflective style coating. And then of course, you saw earlier we did the tail section. You throw a leg over, you might slightly graze that tail section, so it's actually not a bad idea to get your tail done. And of course, not only any motorcyclist needs to be told, but the tank, especially right here on the inside. You can see too, like the gap line that Mark here did is just absolutely super professional. Looks really great. That will protect the side of your tank from any rubbing on your pants if you got zippers, venting zippers on your riding pants. Not that you maybe would, but on this bike. But think about that, high impact zones, front really, and your tank. Those are the two main points that it would be the best to get a PPF film on your motorcycle. So we're almost done with this. We can get some really great photos. It's gonna be really pretty, as you can already tell, because it is a absolutely stunning motorcycle. But stay tuned for the actual final product, which is, again, not very far off from what you're seeing right here. All right, so we just picked up the Streetfighter V4 Lamborghini edition from our friends at Xpel. The bike looks fantastic. Vito, you happy with the bike? He loves it. He loves it. Thanks to the guys at Xpel. We'll do a couple beauty shots here, let you see it. You can't really see the PPF, but it's a great looking bike, and now it'll be protected for the next 10 years. If you're interested in getting your motorcycle protected, check out Xpel Austin. Holler at us here at Ducati Austin. And of course, when you're looking for your next bike, we will take care of you. Peace.